So you already got the speaker assembled. Let's hear it. Dang, I missed the part when you did the back one too. Dang.
Been through the storm back when I was little, I still 10 toes, you know how it go. I watch niggas eat, I used to be starving, in my glow, I'm bad for foe. Before that I got where I'm at right now, I used to be poor, we slept.
I say you can bring a friend, I can get it on my own, bitch, I don't need a handle. I need my own, making music and I play the violin. I can slide with a block, do a big ass shot. I get a nigga fist like I am the doctor.
So this the factory one right here?
Oh,
that's what it is.
Yeah. Like I said, I had the wiring wrong. I was reading the list. Yellow is the fucking ground. I'm not a professional by any means, but I'll figure it out.
Yeah, KG. Got D on regarding this bitch too, man. Yeah, I'm KTG and I'm all about a check. And I can.
Like you niggas goofy, y'all be acting in the movie, shorty. Slip through that coochie when she heard my motor moving. Bitches know that I get to it, always asking what I'm doing. Bullets that you use, and you fuck niggas keep losing. Get the right nigga, what you doing? I sit back and play my role. They got these niggas acting ball. You moving slow, you need to go get on my way. I'll take control of baby. I'm married too, you don't wanna play it, baby. Chopping hitting bitches too.
That's it.
Alright, so we working on disassembling the door right now. I just took off the pieces. I'm gonna show y'all what we had to take off this little cover that was covering this screw. That bad boy right here. And I took off this panel, which is this piece right here. I may end up just painting this just like how I did that. I think I'm finna do that real quick. So I'm gonna leave this off for a second. I may just paint this part. Yeah. Now we finna work on getting that one out as well. So we finna do this off camera, get this panel off, and then we got y'all. I don't think we messing with that. We definitely gotta come back here for this one. Hey, this is just a little sound clip of the before. That's kind of too loud.
I'm thinking about it. I hope these ain't just playing. Okay, alright, I got half. Alright, let's get that out.
Alright, so I just finally, let me cut that down. Alright, so we just finally finished with the driver's side door. It's parts that I had to cut off because I didn't have I forgot I didn't order the proper bracket to hold the speaker in place. So I ended up just cutting the factory speaker out and then reusing the same bracket from the factory piece, and then just zip tying the new speaker onto the factory bracket. Got that done.
Doing great. Yeah, I'm gonna fuck.
That bitch knocking, I ain't gonna lie, that bitch knocking.
Be prepared to take a load. I just got me another kind. I ain't losing bitches false. Say I thought you was gonna let me use it. I say bitch, you thought you fucking me on the first date, but I ain't mad, that ain't my fault. Trial and error, stay consistent. Be prepared to take a ride. I told you truth, they ain't do nothing but try to pin me to the cross. I sacrifice a lot to play the game. I'm trying to be a boss. When you get hungry, you do anything. I bet you risk it all.
All right, I ain't gonna lie, I'm definitely satisfied now. So next thing that's left to do is I'm finna start disassembling this passenger panel. We finna get this shit done.
Been through the storm back when I was little, I still 10 toes, you know how it go. I watch niggas eat, I used to be starving, in my glow, I'm bad for foe. Before that I got where I'm at right now, I used to be poor, we slept.